Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YT channel. Today's recipe is white chicken. Today's recipe is inspired from Shabana ji, link given in description box. Thank you Shabana ji, everyone in my house liked it, especially my kids. For this, heat oil in a karai, add onions, fry till they become soft. Let it cool down and keep aside. In a mixer jar, add poppy seeds, coriander leaves, green chilies, cashews, add water if needed, blend it into a thick paste and keep it aside. In the same jar, add onions and blend it into a thick paste. Heat oil in a karai. Now add green cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, carom seeds. When they crackle, add ginger garlic paste. Saute it for about a minute. Now add onion paste. Saute it for 3 minutes. Add cashew paste. Mix well and saute it for about a minute. Now to this I am adding here chicken pieces, salt and black pepper, curd. Mix well. You can add kasuri methi here. I am not adding here. Close the lid and cook this for 15 minutes in a low heat. Keep chicken turning in between. Add cream and mix well. Once done, garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Jazakallah.